tired.
You're what?
I'm so tired.
Tired of what?
Not sleepy.
How come you don't sleep?
Oh, no, my arm was throbbing last night. So.
Don't the pain pills help?
I didn't have any.
Oh, you just
I've been
got
giving them to everybody. Yeah, I've just been like.
Don't give out your medication.
I know. Well, I
retard.
learned my lesson now, but.
Oh no. Don't be.
I think I got
don't
30, and I probably gave out like 15 of them. Turn that stupid thing off, you retard.
I know what you can go for Halloween. You can go as
A mummy. That's what Jacob said. I want to go as a pinup girl.
A pinup girl.
Yeah, I think that's cool.
You can get tats. Like
Yeah.
draw hearts all over your tats.
Mom, like right here.